You can predict the stock price perfectly and capture all the time decay, yet still lose 30% of your calendar spread value overnight. Most traders open calendar spreads strictly for theta or time decay. They see a neutral strategy that profits as the stock stagnates. But here is the brutal reality. A calendar spread is actually a directional volatility trade first and a time decay trade second. If implied volatility drops by just 5% across the board, the profit tank you see on your risk graph collapses, turning a winning price prediction into a net loss. But why does this happen if we sold an option? Here is the twist that catches even intermediate traders. While you are short the front month option, you are long the back month option. Because Vega, sensitivity to volatility, is highest in longer dated expirations, your long position dominates the trade. You are net long Vega. You need volatility to rise, or at least stay firm, to survive. Now, most people stop there and just buy when IV is low. But the real edge lies in the term structure. The front month and back month volatility don't always move in sync. In a panic, front month volatility explodes faster than the back month. This creates a temporary disconnect where your short option hurts you more than your long option helps. This creates a dangerous drag during market crashes that models often fail to predict. So, how do we weaponize this? We referenced vol regimes in episode 48, and this is the killer application. You must deploy calendars specifically when IV is in the bottom 25th percentile but showing signs of life. You are essentially buying a cheap long-term option and financing it by selling expensive near-term decay. If volatility reverts to the mean, meaning it goes up, your trade profits from both the Vega expansion and the Theta decay simultaneously. The payoff is simple. Stop treating calendars as income trades like Iron Condors. Treat them as a leveraged bet that volatility is too cheap. When you align your calendar entry with a low IV environment, you gain a massive safety buffer. Even if the stock moves against you slightly, a rising tide of volatility can lift the entire spread into profit. Respect the volatility curve, or it will crush your thesis.